This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're in the shop taking a look at a third function kit on an MT225s. This customer wanted to move some brush, so we got him this nice Vernig grapple bucket. However, in order to operate this bucket, we need hydraulics to the front of the tractor. So as you can see here, we've plumbed them in to the valve. So this is a kit that comes from LS, has everything that you need to set up this third function to be able to run things like a grapple or other low flow things. You're not going to run a snowblower or brush cutter like a big skid loader attachment off of it. You can see there's a valve that bolts to the main frame there. This valve tees in to our tilt bucket circuit. So here's our tilt bucket lines coming out, and normally they would tee right in here and go to both sides of your loader here to run the tilt, but that circuit is interrupted with this valve. So in the normally open position of this valve without any electric power going to it, it is going to function normally. The oil will pass through that valve, go to your hydraulic tilt cylinders, and allow the loader to function normally. But when a button is pressed, so we're going to follow this back, there's no additional lines coming back here. The only additional thing is going to be this cord. See, this black cord is running back. We changed out the handle on the top of the joystick. So you'll see the old handle did not have this button up front. When this button is pressed, it activates the hydraulic valve on the front, and that operates the grapple function. Here, we'll fire up the tractor and take a look at what I'm talking about. All right, run our glow plugs for a couple seconds here. Fire it up. All right, raise our loader. The button is not pressed. We're going to operate our tilt same as normal. Now I'm going to press the button, go side to side. There we go, we're opening. We're going to go the other direction, and the grapple closes. Activate the brake again. There we go. All right, so that is a very simple way to set up an auxiliary hydraulic to the front. It isn't what they call a true third function, which would have its own dedicated set of lines going back to a dedicated valve, so that you could run your tilt and grapple functions both simultaneously. On a tractor like this, there isn't all that much hydraulic flow anyway, so you're probably not going to be operating two functions very efficiently, even if you had that. So this is a lot more inexpensive way of doing the same thing.